Hey, so I'm back. I wanted to share this video about these organic, natural household products that I've been using for the past few months now from a company called PUR-HOME. It is black owned, so I am very proud to be supporting them, of course, because why not? And I wanted to share with you a few of the products that I have been using that I hope you will patronize and, support as well. Okay, so PUR-HOME, they have been around for about 2 years now. She launched in May of 2017 with a line of eco-friendly products with pure ingredients that are a lot less harsh than the ingredients you'll find in the conventional products you'll find in the store. That she sells healthier alternatives for household cleaning products. Now, as a mother with young children, I am always looking for better alternatives, better ways to do things in regards to my wellness, my health, and of course, just everyday things that I use around my home, from cleaning dishes to vacuuming the floor, to what I spray in the air, if I spray anything at all. I think a lot of us, especially as women with melanin in our DNA, we don't tend to think about how a lot of these everyday products, from dish detergent to laundry detergent, can actually be affecting our health. The first time I purchased from PUR-HOME, I posted like a little photo on Instagram, just showing what I purchased. I purchased their all-in-one concentrate in the lavender grapefruit scent. It was a 34-ounce glass bottle. And as you can see right here now, it is completely empty. I used it all up and I actually loved it. So this is pretty much the equivalent to like using a Dr. Bronner's all-in-one concentrate. You can pretty much use it for the same freaking things, and it has a few less cleaning ingredients compared to Dr. Bronner's. So I really enjoyed it, and sadly, they no longer offer the all glass bottle packaging. I did reach out and I did have a few questions, and she did tell me that, of course, business wise, it wasn't really conducive for the business at the moment to continue with this type of packaging. And I completely understand. So, although I'm sad that it's no longer completely bottled in glass, I'm still happy with the product. The products are now packaged in these plastic bottles. So they do look like this now. This is the multi-surface cleaner in lavender lemon. It smells so good, so good. And I use this around the house, of course, kitchen counters, bathroom counters. I've used it on mirrors. Probably doesn't go on mirrors, but I use it on mirrors. Now, her powdered laundry detergents are still in that brown paper bag type packaging, which is on point. Okay, I'm very happy about that still. And of course, I've used all of it up, and I purchased another one in a similar citrus scent, which I thoroughly enjoy. I also received her multi surface scrub cleaner, which I really enjoyed. It cleans very well. I use it for like the bathroom tubs and things to really clean it out. Probably my sinks if they get like super dirty from like kids brushing their teeth and whatnot. But yeah, I really love it. I still have not finished this bottle from my first purchase, so I have this much left. And as you can see, it was in a glass container like this, and this is the 14 ounce. It no longer comes in this glass container. It now comes in this plastic container, but you get 2 ounces more. And I'm still very pleased with it because, the products to me are amazing. I also now have her bathroom cleaner, which comes in this plastic spray bottle container. This is also 34 fluid ounces. Like they're all 34 fluid ounces in the spray containers. Let's see. Now, I love that she responds to her customers and responds to people in general when they have inquiries about her products. I've reached out. She's responded in a very timely fashion. So I definitely love that. I'm all about supporting small business, okay, especially when they're in line with things that I am aligned into when it comes to my health and my wellness and so forth. Okay, cons. have any cons? Not really. Shipping can be a thing. I've seen comments from other people, with other products they purchase, not necessarily with Pure, but they say, oh, you get to the checkout and you think you're gonna purchase, then you see the cost of that shipping, and it's like, whoa, not this. Never mind. But you see the cost of that shipping, and you like, nah. And the cost of her shipping can probably be a huge deterrent for most people. But I'll list the cost of their shipping right now underneath here so you can probably see. But yeah, another con that I have in regards to the second purchase with the new packaging on the spray bottles. This part right here, pet peeve. Okay, most of the spray products that I have around my home, this it stays put. So I don't have to worry about spraying. It's sort of just twisting in my hand as I'm spraying. So I say that will be the only con. And they're both like that. So I'm not sure if this is just with my order. But if they're all like that, then yeah, I say that's my only con. It's not a major con. It's definitely not something that would deter me from purchasing again. But that right here, I personally just prefer my spray bottles to be set and not moving like this. That's just me. Other than that, I mean, I love her brand. I love her products. I'm aware that you can purchase from her website, and I believe she's also on the Black and Green website. Yeah, but that's it. Hopefully, you found this video helpful in making your purchasing decision. If not, I don't know what to tell you. But other than that, she would definitely be seeing more of my coins.